Andrea Ledson, Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to present my first annual report on the work of the college, its students and staff. I took up my role as college principal in February this year, and I am honoured and privileged to have the opportunity to work with such a talented group of students and staff. Through this report, I hope to highlight the year's significant achievements and to acknowledge success of both students and staff.